kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi ibarekeretwe NARUA RUKIIRI na Kwaana ni nyuma ya Aritwa baba kuga kinyabo ibakwenda Kwaana ja CUKURU ingi enteto iria irothuraniritwe ni aciari ba form 3 egoro riria barari clinic day na nabao kuringana na mwarimu munene wa CUKURU Morris Ndiga augite utewinyangia buroneka CUKURU ne EU ende mwambirio jo KIUMIA GIKI ikurari bakionania na Aritwa kurega kunganirwa na nikio bajuketie itwari ria kurekeria Aritwa ujore tukugwata ripoti hizi.
Students have been released normally.
Tayari urungamiri ibachukuru yandaka ya Ikuu bureketie na kugita itwa na kuga ana baba ibainuke mwanka ntugo bakairwa mwalimu munene wa cukuru eno otwe Morris Ndiga aliuga ate kuma ntugo ya Lamisi irio ndaka ino cionekerea ciena mantu mwanya mwanya na mwanka ntugo ya igoro ria kurari na kliniki ya Aritwa form 3 irio aciari bamwe baraugire Aritwa baira ibabatiri kwithirwa bakirekerwa bainuka kana gwethirwa tugu bobongo bakaumagaruka na bainuke.
We have been staying with the students peacefully, but around Thursday, the students, through some teachers, showed concern that they felt that many schools were going out for mid-term. But we assured them because we had everything going orderly and normally. We also had a clinic day on Saturday yesterday of the form 3s. And we had the day successful, the clinic successful, but after the clinic, some two parents and different intervals talked to us and told us that some students were inquiring why they are being detained in school when other schools have gone home. And according to those parents, it's saying that the students were saying that if they will not be released to go home, they would rather walk out, and if the principal still insists, they will do something so that they can be released.
Amona ukuringana na mwalimu Ndiga aliuga gutire thina iraretwa cukuru ni Aritwa baba ikabaronire ibwega bathinambe na kubarekeria uba kuga bantu baya kurutha mantu mathuku.
There was no riot, there were no exchanges with the students. And actually it is based on some intel information that some students were feeling. We suspected that some students might want to cause a commotion because maybe they had intentions of wanting to go home like they had seen. And they know, yes, especially yesterday when parents were here with the phones, the students had a lot of contact with the external world and what is happening. And I think that actually instead of deflating the tension, actually inflated the tension and the anxiety possibly, and I think that is a major factor that made us be more wary and take care of our children.
Ogwende akiuga bae na mworoto wa kurutha mucemanio ntugo ya na bondi ya cukuru eno nikenda bagwatanira rira Aritwa baba gacokera na kinya bakithingatiria mathina mao bakwithirwa Aritwa baba namo bathinambe na kumathiria.
Owing to those rumors and verified as they were, we felt it's only safe for us to these students so that we could be able to verify the authenticity of their concerns and also be able to calm the students. And therefore, because we were not able to verify which students were concerned, we have decided to release all of them.
Kuma chukuri andaka ya Ikuu, Petan Class, Chabare.